Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use AI to optimize advertising campaigns. Full tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by stating your goal clearly. Understand that optimizing advertising campaigns with AI enhances effectiveness. Identify the platforms you want to focus on, such as Google Ads or Facebook Ads. Access the platform's analytics tools to gather existing campaign data. Analyze past performance metrics to find patterns or trends. Determine your target audience based on demographics and behavior. Use AI-driven tools to segment your audience more effectively. Select an AI tool or software that fits your needs. Integrate the tool with your advertising platform. Set specific goals for your advertising campaign, like improving ROI or increasing engagement. Use AI algorithms to predict which ads are likely to perform best. Experiment with various ad creatives to find what resonates with your audience. Leverage A/B testing to compare different ad versions. Utilize machine learning to optimize your bidding strategy. Adjust your budget allocation based on the performance of each ad. Monitor real-time analytics throughout the campaign. Make data-driven decisions to refine your targeting and messaging. Use AI tools to automate campaign adjustments as needed. Continuously evaluate performance metrics to ensure optimal results. Implement retrospective analyses after the campaign to learn from successes and failures. Incorporate insights gained to enhance future advertising strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.